Hey guys, welcome to be here again. So today our topic is what's the difference of burr grinder, blade grinder, blender, and food processor in coffee grinding. Why I want to talk about this? Because sometimes we don't have a burr grinder or we don't have a blade grinder, and we just have a blender or food processor. So we need to grind coffee beans and to make our own coffee. So in these conditions, we may use other tools instead of coffee grinders. So here I don't have all the appliances. So I just collect some of them, like the blender, this blender and this blender. And I know there is many more blenders, but I think they are similar, so I just choose one of them. Like the burr grinder, we will choose one, and the blender, we will choose one. We choose just 4 tools to grind the coffee beans and make this test. So finally, I choose these 4 tools because maybe everyone can get one of these because they are not very expensive and they are very convenient. Many professional coffee grinders are expensive for some people. I don't think most people can get one of the professional coffee grinders, so I just use this manual grinders for test and check. This manual grinders, it is the expensive one because you can check these handles. It's rotating by itself because it has the bearings inside, which normally the manual grinders don't have. So it makes it easier to grind the coffee beans, and it has the mantle conical burns inside, which is very rare in the manual coffee grinders. I opened it in my last videos. If you are interested, you can check my last videos. So this one is the blade coffee grinder. I have showed you in my last videos too. It is very simple appliance. It has the motors here, and the blade here. So and this one is a food processor. It's a manual food processor. Sometimes we can buy an electrical food processor, and this one is the normal size. And this one is a blender. This one is a mini size blender. You can check. It has a blade here. It also has a motor inside here. This one and this one, the principle of them is very similar, and the structure of them is similar too. Only some small difference. You can't put a liquid material inside this because it's not waterproof. So I will make the test based on these 4 tools, and the result maybe is not very accurate, and sometimes if you get a better food processor or a better blender or a better blade grinder, the result will be different. But I think these 4 tools are very typical, and I think the test result will be okay for most conditions. And I will add the coffee beans inside 4 of these tools. And I will need a white paper to show you the test result here. Okay, I think it's okay. I will put the blender here because I will use the manual tool to grind the coffee bean. So this you just need to rotate the handle like this, and you can there is a 3 hole to control the speed. So I will choose the fastest speed here. Okay, I think it's okay. So last one is this manual coffee grinder. This is a burr grinder. We just rotate. Okay, I think it's good. So I will pour them on this paper directly so you can see it very clear. And let's start from this one. Too much. Okay, yeah, this is okay. This is enough. And this one, I think this is not good. You can check this. Yeah, just beans. Maybe we need a mini size food processor to. I think this size food processor can't do the work. This one I will pour here. Okay. Okay, and the blender. Okay, I will put 4 tools closer. Okay, let's check the result. First, let's check this from the burr grinder. It feels soft, and you can check the powder. It's good. And check the next. This is from the food processor. I don't know why comes this result. It's not good. I think this kind of bigger food processor can't blend the coffee beans. Maybe you need to buy a small size. I'm not for sure. Maybe in the future I will make a test of the small size food processor. And this one is from the blade grinder. You can check the powder. It's okay too, but the powder is bigger. And you can check. There is the powder is not even. You can check many big and small particles. The size is not the same. And this one from the blender, small size blender, and you can check the powder. It is similar to this one, but the size of the particle is better than this one. You can see it clearly, and you can check this particle and this particle. Compare these two, you can easily find that the powder from the burr grinder is the best, and the second best is from the blender, and the third is from the blade grinder, and the last is from the processor. So I get this result. Hope I can help you with the coffee grinding. So if you want to know something about the coffee grinders or other beverage appliances, you can leave me a comment, and maybe I can do some tests if I have time. And this is today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.